Look at how this deep-fried cellophane noodle turned this simple vegetarian hot and sour soup into a beautiful dish. At the same time, it is the perfect noodle for this soup because it melts easily once placed on the soup. Watch how it melts at the end of this video. You start by chopping up your vegetable into tiny cubes. In this recipe, we use 1 carrot. Dice as tiny as you can. 1 green pepper. How much vegetables depends on the quantity that you plan to serve to your guests. Add French beans. You can replace any of the vegetable that I am using in this recipe for something other than mine. Here comes the cabbage, one of my favorite vegetables. I'm eyeballing here. It could be about 50 grams of finely chopped cabbage. 6 dried shiitake mushrooms. Soak with water to rehydrate, then slice finely. No chili oil is needed in this recipe. We use fresh chopped chilies. The seeds are removed because we do not like it too spicy. A couple of spring onions and coriander from our little garden. 5 cloves of garlic, 6 slices of ginger, 3 shallots, again chop chop chop. Finally, 1 large onion. After you finish cutting the vegetable, it is time to prepare the sauce. 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken stock granule, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. To make cornstarch slurry, we use 1:1 ratio of cornstarch to water. If you have no corn flour, then you can substitute it with tapioca or potato powder. Time to fry your cellophane or glass noodle with hot oil. You can watch the next video at the end of this show about the method on deep frying noodles. In a wok or large soup pot, heat oil and add ginger, garlic, shallots, onions, spring onions, and chopped coriander. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes until softened and slightly brown. Then add your vegetables. Green peppers, carrots, green beans, cabbage, mushroom, and chilies. Fry for another 2 minutes. Now we add our water, about 1.5 liters. Give the vegetables a quick stir to make sure they are covered by water. Cover the pot and bring it to a quick boil, then reduce the flame to a simmer. Now it's time to pour your sauce mix into the soup. After adding this sauce, you need to test the soup. You can add more salt or more vinegar depending on your taste. You can also use lemon to substitute vinegar. Pour your corn flour slurry in while the soup is boiling. Keep stirring till the soup thickens up. You can add more corn flour slurry if you prefer a thicker soup. Now our soup is ready to be served. Pour the vegetarian hot and sour soup into a bowl. Place a crunchy fried cellophane noodle on top. This crunchy noodle will not stay crispy long. It will start to absorb the soup immediately. That's about it. A simple yet beautiful vegetarian hot and sour noodle soup. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.